Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the OPODEE 1800 Pascals Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. Build design. The sleek design of this device is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. At only 2.9 inches high, your robotic vacuum can get under the irritating spaces below cabinets and sofas. Large, sturdy wheels make it easy for this device to move over obstacles, so it never gets stuck on raised doorway ledges between rooms. Suction power. When it comes to power, the OPODEE robotic vacuum cleaner isn't exactly lacking in that area either. Instead, it offers a maximum of 1800 pascals of suction. That's a lot of suction power, especially for a robot vacuum and for an innovative device that is as inexpensive as this one. With this suction power, you won't have any real issues cleaning carpets, as long as they aren't too thick, as well as just about any hard floor that you can imagine. Cleaning mode and remote control. When using the OPODEE robotic vacuum cleaner, you will be relying on a small remote control. This is a basic remote control that lets you control the robot vacuum manually if you want. It also gives you access to the other cleaning modes and settings that are available, all of which are quite useful in their own way. On the remote control there are 3 cleaning modes that you have access to. The first cleaning mode is spot cleaning mode, and spot cleaning mode is, essentially, a mode that enables the vacuum to clean one particular spot with extra thoroughness. Instead of doing a more general vacuuming of the entire space, spot cleaning mode tells the robot vacuum to focus on cleaning one particular spot. Then, there is edge cleaning mode, which is a mode that tells the vacuum to go to the edges of the room that it is in and to only clean those spaces. Finally, there is a single room mode, which tells the vacuum to clean a single room. Each one of these cleaning modes is incredibly useful. Filtration system. High-efficiency particulate air filter, which could purify the air while sweeping. The high-intensity air filter could trap the trivial dust particles inside its dustbin to protect your family members from allergy and pollution. Battery life. Finally, in terms of battery life, you can use the OPODEE robotic vacuum cleaner for a total of 100 minutes before you will need to recharge it. But you don't need to actually do anything for it to recharge. While it is cleaning and it gets low on battery, it will automatically go back to the charging dock. That way, the whole process is relatively hands-free, making it easier for you. Pros. 1800 pascals ultra-strong suction power. Brilliant performance with 5 cleaning modes. Artificial intelligent cleaning with 65 decibels low noise. Automatic return to charging dock. Super quiet robotic pet hair cleaning. Ideal for hard floor, mid-pile soft carpets.